Doesn't matter how far, there is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time, baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and it's smiling.
A few moments later.
Holding on to you tight, I guess our hearts can align. And it feels so right, it's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again.
Hello guys! It's me again, si Lenford. Mag-unbox tayo guys sa binili kong phone sa shopping mall sa GB Hi-Fi. Kaya ako bumili ng another phone guys kasi yung iPhone ko medyo kailangan nang i-upgrade. Medyo mahal yung iPhone guys. So maybe after 2 years na muna ako bibili. So bumili muna ako ng murahin kasi na pag halimbawa magbablog ako or mag-i-edit ng mga videos, dito muna ako gagamit. At yung iPhone ko yun na lang gagamitin ko pag mag-replay ng mga nagsusupport sa aking mga kaibigan na sumusupport sa amin. So may lang shout out also sa aming members, si Ria Cecil Garcia. Paki-subscribe na ng kanilang channel, and Hero Mixed. Thank you always guys for all the support. God bless everyone, keep safe everyone. And don't forget also to like, comment this video guys, and share na rin itong videos. And subscribe na rin po kayo sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe. So ito guys, ang price nito guys is mga siguro mga 300 siguro to. Basta kunti lang ang discount. So it's okay, basta siya, hindi sobrang nabili ko ito mga $229 Australian dollar siguro. Ano to guys, tingnan natin kung magkano to sa peso guys. I-check muna natin kasi hindi natin alam kung magkano ang peso exchange rate to dollar. So, samahan niyo ako guys, unboxing phone. See ya, bye! Guys, i-open na natin. Actually guys, na-open na ito ng asawa ko. Oh no! Inuhan pa niya ako mag-unbox guys. So, at saka babalik pa kami tomorrow guys sa yan yung pang-open sa maglagay ka ng SIM. Ito guys, yung para siyang pin. Tapos ito yung mga instructions. Sa paggamit sa Motorola pala po siya guys, Motorola. So, ayan siya. So, mataas ang GB niya guys, mga 8 GB. Ayan, tapos, yung camera niya is 50 MP. 50 MP, ayan.
Even though we're kind of nervous, together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know. Didn't know what hit me when we started. I was shaking the ledge. Oh no!
Ayun. Na-open siya guys. Dito pala. Hindi pala dito. OMG. Mahirap pag hindi ka sanay gumamit sa mga Android na phone. Ayan siya. Ayan, say hello.
Oh my God! Wow!
Nilagyan pala ng pin. Parang pin. What? So guys, i-ask muna natin sa asawa ko.
How to use, ano bang tawag dito? Monoflex screen protector LED.
Paano yan paglagay mo? Screen protector yan sa iPhone, di ba?
Ayun o.
Feels like the sweetest breath of air. Oh yeah, it's amazing. At the same time, how you take my breath away.
Tanggalin mo ito.
Oh yeah.
Ngayon, pagtanggal niyan, nandiyan na yan. Hindi natin patanggal yan.
Ay, sisirain mo pa yung ano ko.
Hindi. Ano ko sisirain na. Kapag tingin ka ng oras, bubuksan mo lang ito, Han. 3D Nanoflex screen protector. Pag ano mo siya, tatanggalin mo yung ano niya, yung strap. Tapos ilalagay mo siya doon. Yan. So once na nakalagay na yun, nakatakin mo ito eh. Itong parang machine. Ayan. Tapos ganyan. Yan.
So, naano mo na yung karera, inulit pa lang.
Oo. Bale, nandyan na, nakakabit na yun. Ngayon.
Ibalik nakakabit na yung
Oo,
screen
nakakabit na yun.
protector.
Tapos, anin mo lang. Kailangan yung plastic na ano lang. Huwag kayong gagamit ng mga bakal.
Wala. Paano kasi nag-ano ka eh, nagaganyan ka eh. Kaya
Hindi, ano yung sa color niya. Yung ano, ito, yung brace.
Dali lang pala ano.
Nakalak na siya kaagad yan. Pag inano mo. Cancel. Lagay mo rin to.
Do you wanna know? Well, I think I know about you.
SB on the other side.
I think I have to listen.
Yan.
Cause
Tanggalin natin. Yan ang pagtanggal. Kaya pe-press mo yun, no? Yung button.
my beginning.
Pero pagbalik niya, i-slide mo lang siya diretso.
Won't you come along?
Ayan na. So, nandyan na nakalagay yung ano, yung screen protector. So,
Putik na ko.
ano mo, mahawakan mo na may screen protector siya.
Go and follow your heart. Doesn't
Put on
matter how
my...
Pero natin dito.
Ano bang tawag niyan?
telling me this time.
Braso or ano?
Okay.
Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you.
Yan. Diba?
The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please
Thank you,
stay in my
Han.
arms, boy. The one to show me if
So,
we're
meron ka pang
together.
anuhin yung ano ko, yung Pora Motorola.
Dalawa pala kontra ko.
Tapos yung iPhone ko.
Itago
Lagyan
natin
ng
to.
protector, screen protector.
Tago natin kasi madali lang siya maglagay ng ano. Pag may machine, no?
Okay.
Balik lang natin ito dito sa tago. Para pag bumili uli ng screen protector, hindi ka nabibili nito. Ano na lang, screen protector. Moto G. Ano to?
And guys, maglagay yung asawa ko ng
Screen protector.
screen protector sa Motorola. Diba?
Ano isang binili ko?
Marami yan ah. Baka sa pagbili mo eh marami yung ano.
Isang ano pala ito. Okay. Kinalang libo ko nito.
Tomorrow, for now, you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song, you know my heart. Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love alright? The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains, I will love you every day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy.
Same process lang siya. Punasan. Tapos, yung sipon.
But in absolute